Hi, guys, welcome back. It's Tuesday, and we are getting ready for our second interactive read aloud. And today we're going to learn all about animal tracks. When animals move on soft ground or snow, they leave footprints called tracks. Trackers are people who study animal tracks. They look at these tracks to tell what kind of animal made them and how they were moving. People in the Ice Age hunted animals for food. One way to find animals to hunt was to study the tracks they left behind. Using the tracks, humans figured out what animals had been there and in what direction they were going. Then, hunters followed the tracks. Good trackers know what kind of clues to look for when they see animal tracks. One clue is the size of the track. Bigger animals leave bigger tracks. Another clue is the shape of the track and the number of toes. Good trackers are toe counters. Some animals have 5 toes, some have 4, some have 3, and some have 2. What do you notice looking at these tracks? Do you think they were made by the same animal or different animals? Why? Bears, raccoons, and skunks make similar tracks. They all have 5 toes with claws on each foot. Good trackers pay attention to the number of toes and whether or not tracks show claws. But that isn't always enough information to figure out which track belongs to which animal. This track is large. It has 5 toes and claws. Which of these animals do you think made this track? These are bear tracks. Look at these tracks from a grizzly bear and a polar bear. Scientists group together animals that are similar to each other and call these groups families. Both animals belong to the same bear family. Animals in the cat and dog families both made tracks with 4 toe marks. To tell the difference between the two, trackers look for a claw mark. Animals in the cat family hide away their claws when they walk, but animals in the dog family don't. If the track shows claws, it's from an animal in the dog family. Be a science detective. Make a hypothesis about whether this track is from a wolf or a saber-toothed cat. Wolves come from the dog family, and saber-toothed cats belong to the cat family. Remember, which one left nail marks? Do you see the claws in the tracks, or claw marks, sorry? This track couldn't have come from a member of the cat family because they pull in their claws. This track must have come from a member of the dog family, like the wolf. Bird tracks look very different from other animal tracks. Their tracks often show 3 toes, but sometimes you can see their 4th toe on the back of their foot. Ducks, swans, and other water birds have webbed feet, which leave a web-shaped track. Can you find the web-footed track? So there's this one or this one. Which one looks like it has a web? Right here. Deer tracks show 2 toes. Deer belong to the same animal family as reindeer and have similar tracks. People in the Ice Age would have seen tracks like these. Early humans in the Ice Age might have seen tracks like these too. What kind of animal do you think made these tracks? How many toes do these feet have? I hope everybody knows who made those tracks. Good trackers take notes and draw sketches to remember what they saw. Animals often leave tracks in the soft ground or snow, so spend time outside and start looking, and make some tracks of your own. What does a tracker notice when they see a track? So that's what you can choose to write about, or you can choose something from our glossary. Here's a cat track, a bear track, bird track. This is a paw. Deer track, human track, webbed foot, dog track, and there's a little raccoon. So remember, when we meet at 10:35, I want you to try to think about something that you learned and have it already up in your mind that you would like to write about. So we're only doing one listening and one writing for this week. I will see you guys back shortly. Bye.